everyone, welcome back to our channel. At LLBA, we strongly believe in uplifting women by making them look and feel beautiful. That is why today we're so excited to be sharing our new I Love Brow Pencil with you all. So if you want to learn more about this amazing new product and see how I use it on myself, then please keep watching. So like I told you guys before, I'm gonna be drawing my eyebrows, finishing my makeup because I already have my makeup on. I just have to do my eyebrows with the new I Love Brows Precision Brow Pencil. So the good thing about the brow pencil, it has two ends. So like if you guys see, one end is the pencil, like the actual part that we use to, I'm gonna put this down. With this part, we draw our brows. And once we finish drawing, I use this part to difuminate all the drawing. So it looks more like powder-like. So before I start doing anything in my eyebrows, I always like to take those extra hairs that I have in my eyebrows just to have like a better definition of my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go ahead I brush them again and make sure nothing is left behind. Then I repeat the same thing on the other side. Now that I take all the excess hair around my eyebrow line and I have my desired shape, now I'm gonna go ahead with the Precise I Love Brow Pencil. I'm gonna go ahead with this and fill up those little gaps and do those designs. The good thing about the pencil is like it's very thin, so the tip very tiny. This is good because it will allow us to mimic the hair strokes, so I can do more design on them, and the look on them is better than the eyebrow I Love Brow Gel. It's a little different. Also, the good thing about the pencil is waterproof, so it's like water resistant. So when you when you apply it, it doesn't smudge. I'm gonna do some hair strokes, so mimic hair strokes, so it looks more natural. And remember, you always want to follow your natural hair growth directions. On this part here, I'm missing, so if you guys notice, I have one eyebrow that is higher than the other one because I have a scar on my left side. So I always have to level my eyebrows. So the way I do it is I have to fill the right side of my eyebrows a little bit more. The way I do it is filling, making little lines. This would allow the eyebrow to go a little bit higher than my hair line. Don't worry, this looks a little bit weird right now, smudgy, out of place, but with the end of the pen at the end, later I'm gonna show you how it looks better. So then I go ahead on the bottom. I always like to allow myself to go a little bit round with the pencil because it's so precise. It will allow you to do those little arches. I go to my arch, go down to my tail, and there you have it. So now with the brush, what I do is I kind of brush them just to smudge it a little bit. You see, I erase a little bit of the design, so it's a little bit more like a ombre, powder-like look. And with the pen, if I miss a little bit of a space, I go ahead and apply a little bit more. And here I like a little bit more definition, so I go ahead with the pen very softly Again with the brush. I can brush my hairs the way I want them to be sitting at. And there you have one eyebrow. So this side is without it, and this side is with the brow pencil, like already drawing on them. Okay, then now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the left side. The left side is one of the hardest brows to do for me, just because I have this scar. But I'm gonna show you guys how I fill up those gaps with the brow pencil. This is amazing because of the tiny tip. It allowed me to go to the part of the scar where I don't have hairs. Okay. So I go ahead and I fill those areas very well. So that would allow me to do a better design after. Like here, I don't have hairs. So look how nicely. Then I keep going with my arch. I'm going to give it like a nice, more like a triangle. And I brush it, making sure I put all the things. I look at myself, I try to, like, if something doesn't look unnatural, if I see that my right side is still a little bit low, so what I do is I go ahead. So once I do my left side, I always go back to my right side just to make sure they're level and they have like the same height. And if they don't, I just go ahead and I fill it up a little bit more. Like so. And then I brush it. So it's just like a shadow. And that will give me that image that my eyebrows are level at all the time, even though I have a scar. So I don't know, every time I do my eyebrows or my makeup, I always feel like joyful, happy, beautiful. So I love to do my makeup even if I am home. I don't know how you guys feel about makeup, but I love makeup. The only time I don't wear makeup is when I'm at the gym. Like if I go to the gym, I don't wear makeup. But I do my eyebrows sometimes to go to the gym and curl the lashes. No mascara, but I curl them. I brush the hairs where I want them to be and stay, so they look like a little bit more natural. And there you have it, so easy. It took me what, couple minutes? It's so easy. So one thing I forget to mention, and the good thing about the pencil is the color. The color suits a lot of people, like light from very dark. The way to do it is like if you have light hair, just apply like very light, don't go too dark. If you have like darker hair, what you do is you apply a little bit dark. So I'm gonna give you an example on how this one is gonna look darker than this one, just by using the same pen. So what you do is you apply a little bit thicker amount of the brow pen. So you fill it more, you fill up the eyebrow a little bit more, so it looks a little bit darker. If you have like very dark kind of hair type, this is why you do it, same color. This is kind of like a universal color, and that's how you do it. Just apply more if you have darker eyebrows, apply less if you have lighter eyebrows. And for example, my hair matches very well with the color of the pencil right now, so I just love it. I love eyebrow precise pencil. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please check out our website if you would like to purchase the I Love Brow Precision Brow Pencil. Please like, share this video if you found it helpful. See you next time.